In this video, we'll see how Fortinet provides a comprehensive solution for providing visibility into the overall security assessment and maintaining a rigid security posture. We have a basic topology with a number of FortiGates deployed in various geographical locations that are being managed by FortiManager and have logs sent to FortiAnalyzer. In this demo, we will focus on two key capabilities, one which is around enterprise security rating and the other one which is security maturity milestones. Starting with FortiManager, we see that we have 10 FortiGates being managed in various locations. Let's head over to the Fabric view and look at the overall security rating of our enterprise environment. Here, we can see that currently we have security rating score of about minus 1247. And this score indicates that there are security issues presented in the environment that require addressing. Scoring through the list, we can see all the various issues, and these are based on different standards and best practices such as PCI and Fortinet Security best practices. From here, we are conveniently able to address a lot of issues using an easy apply feature that is included natively in FortiOS. For this demo, let's go ahead and remove unsecure HTTP access for the interfaces on all the enterprise FortiGates. This automatically backs up the current configuration and applies the fix. Once we do this and rerun the assessment, we can see that our rating has improved from minus 1247 to minus 937. This is an effective way to manage and resolve security issues across your enterprise. Let's now take a look at security maturity milestones from within the FortiAnalyzer. We can go over the knock-sock view to look at the overall enterprise security posture and how we compare that to my industry average. In the Security Fabric dashboard, we can see that the history of the security rating score, with the current score reflecting the latest result of minus 938. Scrolling further down, we can see the percentile rating based on the security rating score from FortiManager, along with various maturity milestones and which level our enterprise currently has achieved. Since we recently applied the fix for disabling unsecure HTTP protocols from all the gates, we have achieved level 1 milestone. This dashboard also provides the top most important issues to improve the security rating of the enterprise as well as various types of representation of milestones. Thank you.